have you heard about the lifetime maintenance package at Mercy J Auto Care? Well, I'm here to tell you about it. Welcome to Mercy J, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. We have put together a program that is fantastic, but let me give you a little disclaimer. If you're going to keep your car less than 2 years, this is not for you. If you're going to keep it more than 3, this is fantastic. It's an excellent program. Basically, we have a package and you'll have to call to talk to one of our advisors, but the price is very reasonable. And for the life that you own that vehicle, you will first of all get all of your oil changes at no charge. The tires will be rotated at no charge. You will also receive credit on anything you spend towards your next purchases. So you will save money on all of your repairs and other maintenance as well. You will be protecting yourself against inflation because as prices go up, as they do, you will have already been locked in on your oil changes and tire rotations. Also, we're going to take a little bit better care of your car because we're going to put you on a little bit more frequent schedule. Normally, we recommend oil changes on most cars every 6,000 miles. We're going to move you up to 5. So your car is going to get better taken care of. It's going to save you money, and you're going to be protected against inflation. So it's a great program. Call, ask one of our advisors about it. If you have your car for 3 to 5 years, it's going to save you a ton of money. So thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.